Hey, this is James Brodsky with Splunk. It's very early in the morning on December 21st, 2017, and this is a quick demo that Kelly Fagans and I did integrating Alexa technology from Amazon with Splunk, and we did this to celebrate the release of the new Star Wars movie that came out less than a week ago. So let's get started anyway. Any timestamp machine data is fair game for Splunk. So to demonstrate, we're gathering data in real time from various systems on the first Death Star. And we'll have our Alexa integration with Splunk interact with that data. As we go through this short demo, even though it may seem far-fetched, we're indeed asking questions and returning data from a Splunk instance in real time. Any data you have in Splunk can be parsed by Amazon Alexa, and answers can be communicated back to you. We have a dashboard running here in front of me at a high refresh rate so that you can understand better how this works. Alexa, ask Splunk, are you ready to answer some data questions for us?
Let me put it to you this way.
Continue with the operation. You may fire when ready.
Well, that is just fabulous. Okay, a very common use case for Splunk is to gather performance characteristics of services. We noticed that level 12 of the Death Star had really dirty bathrooms today. Maybe we can find out why. Alexa, ask Splunk what was the maximum CPU for level 12 cleaning droids today?
The maximum CPU seen among droids on level 12 was about 0% today.
0% is pretty darn lazy. No wonder those bathrooms are dirty. All right, moving on. We know the Death Star is a bustling place and people need to eat, so we're pulling transactions from the point-of-sale systems in the cafeteria into Splunk. Alexa, ask Splunk what is the most popular entree in the Death Star cafeteria?
We have sold 612 of Grand Nachos Tarkin in the past hour.
That's Grande Nachos Tarkin, but we know that those things are absolutely delicious. Okay, 60% of our business at Splunk these days has to do with information security, and it's very important to keep the Death Star threat-free. Alexa, ask Splunk how many nodes are vulnerable to CVE THX 1138?
Our latest Nessus scan found 9 of that vulnerability in the reactor core. Just patch. Bro.
We probably shouldn't let that info get into rebel hands, but if we did, we'd need all the stormtroopers available. We've been splunking our physical badge readers and our medical systems. Alexa, ask Splunk how many stormtroopers are in sickbay from yesterday?
The stormtrooper count was 130 in sickbay from self-inflicted blaster injuries yesterday. Such idiots.
As usual. That's not good. So you know machine learning is all the rage. Maybe we can get some predicted insights on those rebels' Jedi training by analyzing their characteristics with Splunk's machine learning toolkit. Alexa, ask Splunk, what is the next predicted lightsaber
Welcome to
color?
Splunk. Ask me something.
Okay.
Splunk rhymes with drunk.
That is fantastic. I did know that, but let's try again. Alexa, ask Splunk what is the next predicted lightsaber color for the Jedi Knight program?
The next selected color will be green with 92% confidence.
Okay. It looks like we'll need to be on the lookout for green lightsabers. And that pretty much ends our demo. If you're interested in learning some more about this, I suggest you go over to Google and type into Google, Alexa Ask Splunk.
Welcome to Splunk. Ask me something.
So useful. Let me mute her again. If you go and you...
Splunk rhymes with drunk.
That is just great. Just great. Anyway, if you go and you Google Alexa Ask Splunk, you'll see a very nice blog post written by Andrew Doria and contributed to by a few other people that will explain to you how you can set up Alexa integration with Splunk and explain in detail about how we did this at our user conference back in September. Thanks very much and have a great holiday.